Meditation on unity. Now we are going to do a meditation exercise. First, I want you to sit or lie down on the floor, whatever is comfortable for you, and close your eyes. With your eyes closed, I want you to take a deep breath through your nose and then slowly exhale through your mouth. I want you to repeat this 5 times. Feel the air coming in through your nose and the air coming out through your mouth. With each inhalation and exhalation, you will feel more and more relaxed. Now that you are relaxed, I want you to imagine that you are in a garden and the weather is sunny. The garden is one of the most beautiful gardens you have ever seen. There are flowers of different kinds, colors and sizes, but together they form a perfect combination that makes the scenery look very beautiful. I would like you to take a good look at the garden and take in the beautiful scenery. As you enjoy the beautiful scenery with the flowers, you see a group of people coming into the garden. There are people from different backgrounds and ethnicities from all over the world. They are talking to each other, laughing, enjoying themselves, and each is carrying a flower of a different color. I want you to take a moment to observe the love and respect these people have for each other. There is nothing but love and harmony here. The longer you watch, the more you think about how beautiful it is when we have people of different backgrounds, genders, ethnicities and sizes come together in perfect harmony. It is as if we are all fruits of one tree and leaves of one branch, the flowers of one garden. It is a complete unity, and everyone is happy to be part of one big family. Everyone enjoys the different colors of the flowers. When you see this, you think about how small the world is. It is as if the earth is but one country and mankind its citizens. I want you to take a moment to enjoy what you see before you in this beautiful garden. Notice all the details you see in the people and around you. All you can feel is love and happiness. You are looking at the flowers and you decide to go and pick up a flower that you see is very beautiful. Pick up the flower and observe its color and smell. After you have done that, you go and join the group of people who are talking to each other. The people see you, who have come from all over the world, are happy to see you. You feel welcome and appreciated. Notice their smiles and happiness when they see you. I want you to stay in this moment for a while. Whenever you feel ready, I want you to slowly open your eyes. Slowly breathe in through your nose and slowly breathe out through your mouth. You have now completed this meditation exercise, but know that you can always return to your safe place with all the beautiful flowers and people you have seen. We are all flowers of one garden.